What's going on, guys? I'm in the middle of changing the brakes on the towpig, and I get a lot of questions about the wheel and tire setup on the truck. So I thought, why not, while I got them pulled off, I actually cleaned them up, the backs and in between the spokes real good while I took them off to change the brakes. So I thought, while I have them off, go ahead and do a little review on them while we had them off, so you guys can see the wear on them over a year of time. And I want to say there's probably about 15,000 miles on them from the time we put them on last year, which is right around this time last year. So kind of perfect timing. But if you guys don't know, haven't seen the install video on these, we're running the 22-inch Venom Power Terra Hunter XT tire. It's kind of a hybrid tire. It's not a mud tire, but it's not a mud tire, but it's not radial tire. So it's like kind of in between a hybrid. So far, I love the tires, guys. Last year when we first put them on the truck, we made I want to say that was an 11-hour trip to Daytona last year, Daytona truck meet, and these things did awesome. They're not super loud at all. You do hear some road noise, which that's going to be with pretty much any tire on a truck this size. You're going to hear some kind of road noise, but it's not loud. You can still have a conversation in the truck with no problem. You don't even have to turn the radio up loud or anything. Everything is a good sound inside the cab. So you guys can see it's a 22 on an 8 1/4 inch wheel, a dually wheel. I didn't get the super single when I got the Cali off-road tire wheels. I'm more of a traditional dually look kind of person. I like the true dually front wheel, not a super single and all that. Super single looks good on some trucks, but I like the dually style. Now that's not saying we won't maybe get a super single set one day for this truck, but I like the traditional dually style wheels, front wheels. So you guys take a look at the tread wear. Like I said, this is about 15,000 miles, maybe a little more, but you can see that tread profile is darn near perfect, the same all the way across. Now this is the first time I actually rotated them. I'm rotating them now also. So I have not rotated these things in 1 year, about 15,000 miles. So that is pretty darn good to say I've never rotated them. You guys, let me take the camera off so I can get a better angle. So like I said, that's pretty darn good for a year's time, 15,000 miles of not rotating them. The even tread pattern all the way around. You can see that right there. Now it's not perfect, but that's pretty darn good to say they haven't been rotated. Got a little more wear on the inside of the tire, which that's to be understood on these front end 2-wheel drive Super Duty trucks. The way that they articulate up front, they ride more like this down the road instead of flat. So that's to be expected, but like I said, that is pretty dang good, guys. Cali off-road, this is probably by far the best looking dually wheel in my opinion. This is the Summit D 22-inch. I wish they made this one in a 24. They just actually came out with a 24-inch wheel this year in 2022, which looks pretty good, but not as good as this one in my opinion. May be a little biased, but if they made this in a 24, this would be baller. So we will be upgrading the wheels here soon when we start getting back into making more videos. But I definitely want to get a new setup for the dually. Change some things on it. I want to really change the front end suspension on it, go with the completely different setup, but that's down the road. So I just wanted to make this short, quick little video for you guys. All you guys asking questions about the Venom Power tire and the Cali off-road wheel. They pair up awesome. I ended up going with the Venom tire because they had I think it's a 50,000 mile warranty on them. If you had a blowout or anything, it's covered. So you couldn't beat that on a truck like this. How we gonna be towing, it exceeds all the towing ratings that we can do with this truck. So it was like the perfect fit for this truck and wheel. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. Please go down below, hit the like button, subscribe button, also turn on notifications bell if you guys have not already. Peace out.